The Tyre Sensors Not Detected error on your 2014 Ford Fiesta indicates a problem with the tire pressure monitoring system. This system uses sensors inside your tires to monitor pressure and temperature. The error typically means the car's computer isn't receiving signals from one or more sensors. Here's what the error looks like on your dashboard. Common causes include dead sensor batteries, which last about 7–10 years, signal interference, or complete sensor failure. To diagnose, start by visually inspecting your tires and ensuring they're properly inflated to around 32 to 35 psi for the front and 30 to 33 psi for the rear. If the error persists, use an OBD2 scanner to check for specific sensor faults. This diagram shows the TPMS components and how they connect to monitor your tire pressures. After addressing potential causes like replacing faulty sensors, resetting and relearning the TPMS is crucial. Ensure all tires are inflated to the correct pressure. Then start the relearn process. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Since the 2014 Fiesta lacks a TPMS button, a driving relearn is necessary. Drive the vehicle above 25 miles per hour for 10 to 15 minutes. The system should automatically scan and recognize the sensors. If the driving relearn doesn't work, an OBD2 scanner with TPMS relearn functionality might be required to manually sync the sensor IDs with the ECU. Remember, a Ford service bulletin advises sensor replacement every 5 years to prevent this issue.